SP, yung detalye lang doon sa sinasabi niyong pinahirap yung impeachment ngayon, which exact part of the decision po ng SC, yung sinasabi niyo SP na dahil dyan, mas
Well,
humirap kayo mag-impeach?
dito, doon sa page 44 nila, dito sa decision. Sabi ko nga, snippets, ano?
Okay.
Snippets yung mga nabasa ko pa eh. No? Marami pa siguro akong nami-miss dyan. Pero dito sa mga nakikita namin o nakikita ko, kailangan ma-ensure na yung endorsement ng mga members be verified. Hindi pa pwedeng basta pirma lang. Ano? Tapos, kailangan i-confirm din ng member ng House na yung ebidensya ay supporting the grounds for the complaint. Ano? Tapos, every member should be given a copy of the complaint. Ano? As well as the evidence supporting. Ha? O, kailangan bigyan lahat. Ah, yung iba naman nandun sa rules ng House pero ibang klase na yung lahat na. Kung ayaw basahin.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Teka lang. Ang sinasabi mo, pwede hindi nila gawin yung trabaho nila? Di kung ganun sampa ng ethics complaint para maparusahan o tangalin sa pwesto. Kung pumasok ka sa Kongreso, dawin mo yung trabaho mo. Basahin mo yung impeachment pag ayaw mo lumayas ka sa Kongreso. Bakit kay Kiko Barsaga nag-post na lang meme, suspended na agad?
On the case, the committee finds that the actions of Rep. Barsaga in posting incendiary social media content through his Facebook accounts and in retaining and failing to remove publicly viewable, inappropriate, and indecent photos to be unparliamentary and unbecoming of a House member, taken in their entirety, the actions of Rep. Barsaga bring contempt, discredit, and disrepute to the name of the House of Representatives. His actions reflected negatively upon the dignity, integrity, and reputation of the House of Representatives as an institution of the members of the House individually and collectively. Consequently, the committee finds respondent Representative Kiko Barsaga of the 4th District of Cavite guilty of disorderly behavior by violating Section 141A Rule 20 of the Rules of House of Representatives, 4C of RA 6713, or the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees, and by engaging conduct unbecoming of a member of the House, and recommends the imposition of the penalty of 60 days suspension from office without the benefit of salaries and allowances during the period of suspension, with a stern warning that repetition of similar misconduct will result to a more severe disciplinary action. In addition, Mr. Speaker, the committee recommends that the respondent Barsaga be directed to remove all 24 social media posts subject of this case within 24 hours from adoption of this report in the plenary. Mr. Speaker, let this be a reminder to all the members of the House of Representatives that as trustees of the people, we are expected to conduct ourselves in a manner that would reflect the dignity of our position in society and in public service. Let us be more circumspect in our acts and words and be mindful of the high standards of propriety required of us as legislators. Maraming salamat, Mr. Speaker.
Soto, nasa hulog ka ba? O nahulog yung utak mo? Hindi ka dapat sa Senate President, hindi ka na abogado, nawawala pa tayo ng utak mo. Babasahin nila lang, hindi magawa, yan ang dahilan mo. I quote, "Let this be a reminder to all the members of House of Representatives as trustee of the people, we are expected to conduct ourselves in a manner that would reflect our dignity of our position in the society and in public service." Kung hindi nila ginagawa yon at trabaho nila palayasin na sila sa Kongreso.
To fight for what we believe in, undeterred by the fear of failing or losing. Indeed, courage knows no limits. Cowardice does.